Today we will discuss about how to manage a budget and save money. So there are a few points we will discuss. If you're following these points, you will be able to manage a budget and save your money. So before starting this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more updates. So let's get started. First one is how to manage a budget and save your money. Managing a budget and save money is a key to financial stability. This presentation will guide you through effective budgeting strategies and practical saving techniques to achieve your financial goals. So first one is why budgeting is important. Budgeting helps you take control of your finances. It allows you to understand where your money is going, avoid unnecessary expense and prioritize saving. By sticking to a budget, you can reduce financial stress and work towards achieving your short and long term goals. Second one is understand your income and expenses. To create a budget, start by in identifying your total income from all sources. Then track your expenses by categorizing them into fixed costs like rent and utilities, and variable costs like dining out or shopping. This clarity help you see how much money is left for saving or spending. So the next one is choose the right budgeting method. Different budgeting methods suit different lifestyles. One popular approach is to 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to saving. Choose a method that align your financial goals and sticks to it consistently. Set realistic financial goals. Setting achievable financial goals give your budget a purpose, whether it's building an emergency fund, paying off debts, or saving for a vacations. Clear goals motivate you to save and make informed spending decisions. Next one is prioritize saving first. Adopt the pay yourself first approach by saving a portion of your income before spending on anything else. Automating your saving can make this process effortless and ensure you consistently contribute to your financial goals. Next one is track and adjust your spending. Monitor your spending habits regularly to ensure they align with your budgets. Use budgeting apps or maintain a journal to stay on top of your expenses. Adjust your budget as needed, especially if your income or expenses change. So next one is cut unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce spending, such as canceling unused subscription or limiting takeout meals. Small changes in daily habits can add up to significant saving over time. Next one is avoid impulsive spending. Practice mindful spending by asking yourself if a purchase is necessary or if it is aligned with your financial goals. Waiting 24 hours before making unessential purchases can help curb impulsive buying and save money. Next one is celebrate your progress. Recognize and celebrate milestone in your saving journey, whether it's reaching a specific saving amount or sticking to your budget for a few months. Acknowledging your achievements keep you motivated. So if you are following all these steps, you will be able to achieve your goals. So thanks for watching.